So now that we've set up Autopatch, let's talk more about the Autopatch groups, because that's really the lifeblood of the whole thing. So you can see here, inside of Autopatch and Release Management, I go into Autopatch groups. So in here, you can create a custom group if you want to, but I personally prefer just to work with what they've already built for you. So when we go in and edit, this is the best way to kind of understand it, how it works. So in the deployment ring, you can see here that you have all these different deployment rings. So within this, you have some dynamic group distribution. So where it'll automatically um, dynamically assign groups to ring 1, ring 2, ring 3. And you can see here it distributes based on these percentages. And it shows you an approximate device count based on what you're doing. And you can do different things too. Like you can, assign a group, like it explains here. You can assign a group directly to a ring, or you just let it do, automatic deployment. And then you can even additionally, if you want to add additional rings to kind of fit your organizational posture, you're free to do that as well. And this gives you kind of a good idea around the cadence. So you can even do things like, okay, I want to do scheduled install, deadline driven, work with deferral periods, deadlines, grace periods. For the different rings, if you want to really kind of fully customize and control and drive the focus of what your goal is with Autopatch, is to kind of explain to it how you want to achieve it and just let it do its thing. So if we actually go into the devices, you'll see here, so when I actually go select a device and I do assign ring, I'll just even do it like this so you get a good idea of the landscape. As you can see here, is it's automatically assigning different rings to different devices. And because you've done ring assign automatically, it's just automatically putting them where you want it to put. But you can even, if you want to, you can even say, okay, I want to assign different devices to this ring or to that ring. And that's entirely based off of kind of what your goal and what you're shooting to achieve.